My name is Jenny. Today we're going to make hot spicy ramen
Slime.
slime. First we have to cut this.
Careful with your hands.
Saliado.
You got it? Do you need help?
I need help. That's so hard. Wait, no.
Hold it.
Hold
Hold it.
it.
The other way.
You missed one, Mom. You missed one. You missed one. Grab all.
Hold it like this. The other way. There we go. Whoa, that's super cool.
We have to put everything here so my little golden retriever dog won't eat it. You stop, puppy. Time to get the soy sauce. I kind of do that when I say soy sauce. So, cut. Already. Daddy. There. Slime eggs. I have to
Twist it.
so real quick. This
Whoa.
is so cool. If you see this, buy
Whoa.
it if you like it.
That is super cool. You should have made it like an egg, like this. Like this. Like this.
Stop,
Like a-
Alicia, Mom. And then we need carrots, a kitty wit, dip. Just going to do that. Carrot, vegetable mix. It's the best.
What?
There's a vegetable mix. It's going to. This is actually pop-ups, everybody. Get this right.
Let me open it.
Yeah. There you go. Let's go. Pop-up.
It's looking good.
There we go. And then after vegetable with shrimp. Yeah, I have shrimp, so then
What is that? It's vegetable mix. Ramen toppings, it says.
I'm gonna add everything. I don't want my dog to eat this, so I'm going to spread
Okay.
these out.
And then
With the
fish cake.
fish. There we go.
Naruto. Go.
Okay, time to mix. Where's my chopsticks? There it is. It's been there.
Do you know how to use your chopsticks?
Oh no. I guess I just want to use it. It feels weird. What? Wow. Let me touch. Everything feels so weird. I can't touch this. Get the scary in there.
There's your slime.
There's your slime.
Do you like it?
Yes. I can understand sound. Yum, 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 yum. That is funny.
Let me see. Mix them all together.
Everything.
I guess you can remove the carrots. It's too big.
Yeah. There. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, carrot. This egg is so fun. It helps to make the slime, the egg.
Okay, say goodbye na.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe
Subscribe
and like.
and like.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.